Welcome to Job Scheduler Lite, the fastest and easiest job scheduling solution for the price on the planet, guaranteed. It only takes a couple of steps to manage your shop more efficiently. Step 1. Define daily hours. Next, enter holiday, resources, routings, and order data, either directly or simply import from Excel template. Step 2. Prioritize and schedule all your jobs, either forward or reverse, subject to finite capacity constraints. Step 3. View in real-time schedule via Insight. Check out calendar, Gantt charts, and utilization graphs to manage capacity and generate work center schedules to meet and beat your customers' due dates. Note: JSL schedules work centers in a linear order. If you have more complex routings, check out Resource Manager DB with Edge BI. Now, from the JSL Details page, download and install the Crystal Reports runtime. Then download and install a 60-day evaluation, jslsetup.exe. Load your data directly or via data import. Contact us for any questions. With solutions for any application and budget, from job shops on up, better production scheduling is only a click away.